Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily backup and restore your phone. So for doing this you just need to install this app. Here you can see DrFone, so just download and install it on your laptop. So after you can also open this function backup and restore, so just click on it and just wait some time until it will open window of this function. So let's wait. Also, I hope that this method will help you and you will fix your errors and you will successfully restore your phone. So here you can also see that it's backup and restore your phone, including contacts, photos and etc. So here you can see backup and restore data from your phone. So backup phone data to computer with one-click preview and restore any items from backup file, including Mac and iCloud backup files. So just choose what you want to backup or you want to restore, and just follow all the steps and it will successfully I hope that it will successfully restore your phone or backup it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.